Use columns 1 and 2 to populate column 3. I'm a Python newbie and have the following pandas data frame. I'm trying to write code that populates the signal column as it is below. My pseudocode version would take the following steps. Look down the long_entry_flag column until entry condition is true, day 3 initially. Then we enter 1 and 2, signal, column every day until exit condition is true, long_exit_flag equals true on day 8. Then we look back to long_entry_flag column to wait for the next entry condition, occurs on day 10. And again we enter 1 and 2, signal, column every day until exit condition is true, day 14. Etc. What are some ways to populate the signal column rapidly if possible, using vectorization? This is a subset of a large data frame with tens of thousands of rows, and it is one of many data frames being analyzed in sequence.
You can do which is going to give you exactly the output you posted. Being inspired by Jezreel's answer, I created a slightly more performant version of the above while still trying to keep it as neat as I could.
For improving performance, use a number solution. Performance. You can also use NumPy for shifting, and also at dark code is simplifying it. You can also check does it errors have performance issues. For the general order of precedence for performance of various operations in pandas.
Here's an approach with complete Boolean operations, which is a vectorized approach and will be fast. Step 1. Step 2. Now it's the state where both the columns are false. We need to ignore it and replace the values with the previous state, which can be done using where and select.
If the temp is positive then the signal should be 1, and if the temp is negative then the signal should be empty. I kind of get stuck here.
If you want similar, click here button.